How to check Macy Star Rewards points and rewards. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Macy's page. Here, you'll find your points at the top. Click on it. After you click on the points option at the top, on the right side, you'll find all these options. Here, you'll find your points and your star money. And you can also click on View Member Benefits to check what your point can give you. As you can see, start shopping to earn star money and earn points on Macy's purchases to get star money as well. Get $10 in star money when you shop any two of these 5 qualifying categories. And it will increase your tier according to your points as well. And this is how to check Macy's Star Rewards points and rewards. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.